Tri-state students with an interest in nursing will have the chance to go hands-on with the industry tomorrow. The Nursing and Health Sciences Visit Day will take students on a tour of facilities at Quincy University and Blessing-Rieman College of Nursing and Health Sciences. Participants will see classrooms, labs, and the Blessing-Rieman Simulation Center, where students will be able to encounter medical scenarios with computerized mannequins. Immersing students in the program helps them plan their future.
Just a great way to immerse oneself in the nursing profession and some of the professions around nursing to get a sense of what to expect.
Registration for tomorrow's program is closed, but high school students can contact QU's admissions office with any of their associated degree products there.